Hey YouTubers, it's me, Chelsea, Rag Princess Sauce, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Good Eat Japanese Ramen Noodle Wheat Crackers. What a mouthful, but they are delicious, so I'm going to go over each flavor. I have almost all flavors. There's one more I didn't get, and that is the Mexican, spicy Mexican, and I'm not a too big fan of spicy, that's why I didn't get it. So, let's get started. So the first flavor is the GGE Original, and each package has this little girl character on it, and it shows a real picture of what the ramen looks like. So that's what it's going to look like. The package is actually in English, and it is made in Taiwan. So that's what the inside looks like. And this is what the noodles look like. And they kind of taste like pretty much raw ramen noodles, with a teeny tad bit of flavoring to them. Like if you just pretty much ate ramen noodles dry or powdered a little bit of maybe the chicken flavor is kind of what it tastes like. So I think these would be fun to make those bird nest cookies out of. They would be delicious that way, instead of using the chow mein noodles, because I think those kind of taste weird. But these are would be pretty good for that. As for snacking purposes, I don't think they're too good. They're kind of bland compared to the other flavors. So yeah, that's what these ones look like. Next is the GGE Barbecue. GGE would stand for Good Eat. Barbecue Cube. And cube question mark, because that is not a cube. But I was surprised that they actually did look like this. This is what they look like. Let's grab a couple more. So they look like these little round things, and they're way more crunchier, and they have a little zingy aftertaste, or beginning taste. The barbecue flavor doesn't come till the aftertaste. You get the little zing first, and it lasts for a little while because I can still feel the zing, but I can mostly taste the barbecue. So these are my favorite out of all of them so far. Okay. And then here's the little character on the back. So that's what those ones look like. And then this one is the black pepper ramen. There's a picture of what they look like. And this is what they look like. They actually look like chunks of noodles, ramen noodles, like right before they get fully apart. And they're more crunchier than the original ones. And as you can tell, they do have big chunks of black pepper in it. So they kind of remind me of the black pepper chips, but they are much stronger in the black pepper flavor. So if you really like the black pepper chips, I suggest you getting these because they're really good. They got a good zing to them, and the pepper flavor doesn't last as long as the barbecue flavor lasts, so they're pretty good. So that's those ones. And then here's the soy sauce flavor. And that's what they look like, with a cute little character on the front. And this is what the noodles look like. So they are the same size as, or they almost look the same as the black pepper one, but obviously they don't have the speck of pepper, and they are bigger. They're like probably 2 of these together. This is what they look like. Let's try them. So, they taste like ramen noodles that have soy sauce on them, pretty much. Like, that's what they taste like. And these are really good. I would say these are my second favorite. And the soy sauce flavor, the soy sauce flavor lasts for a little bit, but it's so good, like, you want to eat more. So it's kind of addicting. Like, they don't last, the flavor doesn't last as long as the barbecue or the pepper one. It's shorter than those, but it's a really good flavor. So I suggest getting this flavor. So comparing them all, this is what all the noodle crackers look like together. These are the regular, these are the pepper, these are the soy sauce, and these are the barbecue. So I would probably have to say that the barbecue is my favorite. The soy sauce is my second favorite. The black pepper is my third, and the original is my last, and that's why there's more left in the bag than the other ones. So I hope you guys go out and try these. They're really worth trying. And I hope you like this video. So have a great day, guys. Bye.